Hello, in today's video we're going to be reviewing our Magimix Expert 3 juicer after having used it for 1 year. I'm going to be sharing my opinion in this video, and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's get this review started. In the pursuit of a healthy lifestyle, which juicing has become part of mine, I have invested in a lot of juicers. However, this particular one, I invested in it because I suddenly lost my previous centrifugal juicer, which was quick and easy to use. And if you've been a regular on this channel, you would know my Philips juicer. You can always check out the video. When my Philips juicer broke, I wanted to take a step higher and invest in something sturdier, and I stumbled upon the Magimix Expert 3 juicer. I love the concept. It is described as a cold press juicer, and cold press juicers are known to retain a lot of the nutrients in the juicing process, thereby providing you with higher quality juices. That was my draw, and I paid round about £250 for this Magimix Expert 3 juicer. It weighs 7.5 kg. Yes, and most of that weight is in the bottom bit, as you can see on the screen. So you have to be prepared to lift it. Now, having used this Magimix Expert 3 juicer for approximately 1 year, I share in this video my personal opinion and review regarding this juicer. I will start by saying that the quality of juices produced by this juicer is truly different and of higher quality with its cold pressed technology. That I completely agree. However, there are other things I would want to share based on my personal opinion. Now, as a content creator, one thing that challenged me about this juicer was the fact that it required you to babysit it. Yes. When I mean babysit, I mean that you have to be there to feed this juicer, and you have to use your manual power to press through this juicer. Now I understand the concept of cold press. So you have to proper press. And if you have a camera in hand, achieving that can be very challenging. So it slowed things down. And because you need to put a lot of energy to push through these fruits, the best bet therefore will be to chop these fruits and veggies in smaller bits in order not to kill yourself. Otherwise, you get exhausted, especially when you are batch juicing. I also love to make my juices first thing in the morning, like daily. That's my preference. But achieving this before going to work takes me longer as opposed to the other type of juicers I've used in the past. The other thing that I found challenging in this video was the fact that batch juicing was a problem. Now, it is compact, so the whole machine is set up in a way that the extract from your juices, which is the fiber, is also contained in the same compartment, like you can see right in there. Yes. So there's no separate compartment outside of the juicer that it goes to. So as you continue to juice, it builds up inside there and it begins to slow things down and make a big mess. That was another challenge. So if you're batch juicing, you have to stop, empty this compartment and restart again, which also takes a lot of time. That was another challenge that I had with this juicer. Now, it's not all about the challenges. There were also really positives about this Magimix Expert 3 juicer. It does make citrus fruits, juices, and smoothies. and even processes nuts. If you've been following my channel, I'm sure you've seen some of these videos. Otherwise, I'll advise you to check them out. Really nutritious juices, nut milk, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, it is a versatile juicer and gives you lots of options. You can make a lot of combinations, your nuts, your seeds, citrus, fruits, vegetables. Like, yeah, I like this juicer for that. However, I found that this juicer was picky in his behavior towards each ingredient. So leaf or leafy vegetables were easy. It had no problem sieving it clear with minimal chaff. However, when it comes to things like celery and cucumber, especially if you're juicing a batch or towards the end of your juice, you begin to have a mix-up. You know it's a compact juicer, everything is built inside. So you get the chaff coming through as well. And this will take you a much longer time to strain. And I particularly love clear juices without beads. So it takes a longer time. And if you're juicing in the morning, before jetting off to work like I love to do, this means I wake up earlier than usual just to accommodate this. That's a little bit of a challenge for me. Having said all of that, I will still recommend the Magimix Expert 3 juicer. It is a middle range juicer that will give you the smoothie you need, the citrus quality you need, and the regular juices you need, plus making nuts and seed milk for a healthy lifestyle and well-being that you require. This Magimix Expert 3 juicer is easy to put together, like it is really simple. It is also easy to pull apart after juicing. Washing it up, just as you see on the screen, is really straightforward compared to some of the other juicers I've used in the past. There are only about 4 main parts, and it takes only a few minutes to get it all cleaned under running water. And that, I believe, is what makes up for the stress that I go through during juicing, just as I have explained. I hope you found this video useful and my share of opinion valuable. If you have not subscribed, then this is the time to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Like this video if you found this video useful. Leave a comment, share with me. Have you used Magimix? Do you know about it? What do you think? Till I see you next time, don't forget, make food your medicine. Remember to click on these videos popping up. I'm sure you find them useful and insightful. Bye-bye.